Guys, nahihirapan ba kayo sa mga syllogism questions? Tuturuan ko kayo. Meron tayo dito ng statements. Some teachers are musicians. All musicians are creative. What conclusion is true? So kapag mga ganitong tanungan guys, mas magandang gumawa tayo ng Venn diagram para mas ma-visualize natin yung tanong. So tuturuan ko kayo. So may mga keywords kasi tayo guys sa syllogism. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong all, some, and meron din yung no. Ayan. So, para ma-draw guys yung Venn diagram ng all, halimbawa may statement na all A are B. Kung andito si A, ibig sabihin lahat yan na bilugan ni B. Okay? So for some naman, kapag some naman yung sinasabi, some A are B, kung andito si A, ibig sabihin may nag-overlap na part ni B. So, ang simple definition kasi ng sum guys is at least 1. So, itong nag-overlap na part dyan sa gitna, yan yung A na B pa. Okay? And for no naman guys, magkahiwalay yung mga yan. No A are B, ibig sabihin, walang nag-overlap. Okay? So, i-convert natin itong statements natin into Venn diagram. Sa first statement, some teachers are musicians. Kung andito si teacher, since some, yung keyword, ibig sabihin, andito yung musician. Itong gitnang part guys, yan yung mga teacher na musician pa. So next statement, all musicians are creative. Mapapansin nyo guys, itong musician natin is ito no. So since all yung keyword, kailangan nating bilugan lahat itong musicians. Ayan, so creative. So ito na guys yung Venn diagram ng two statements natin. Ngayon tignan natin yung mga choices para malaman natin kung tama ba yung conclusion. So sabi dito sa choice A, all teachers are creative. Kung andito si teacher, andito si creative, kung i-redraw natin yan, teacher, and then andito yung creative. Tama ba yung choice A na all teachers are creative? Ganyan ba yung diagram guys ng all? Hindi, 'di ba? Kasi hindi niya nasakop lahat. So next choice tayo, some teachers are creative. Ganito ba yung diagram ng some? Some teachers are creative. Yes, 'di ba? It means tama tong si choice B. So, lahatin natin guys ng choices, no? No teachers are creative. So pag sinabing no guys, dapat magkalayo itong teachers and creative. So dapat ganito sana yung Venn diagram niya. So X pa rin to. And next, all creatives are musicians. Tandaan nyo guys na kapag ang keyword is all, hindi mo pwedeng i-reverse yan. It cannot be reversed. So hindi mo pwedeng sabihin all musicians are creative. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin all creatives are musicians. So mali yun. Okay? So yun lang guys yung technique no, sa pagsosolve ng syllogism question. So sana natuto kayo. Kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.